Hi, this is Sydney, and I'm going to talk about place value. First of all, what is place value? Place means where the number is located. Value means how much a number is worth. Down here, I have the number 1 million, and it has some place labels on there. What you notice is a little different about this number is it has a decimal point, which means we're going to be working in wholes and parts. As down here, the suffix of this place is THS, which means that means we're going to be working in parts. It's not thousands with a whole, it's tens with a parts. I'm going to be talking about all of those numbers behind the decimal. Now, I'm going to enter the splash zone. Welcome back. This is the splash zone. As you see, there is this decimal point and numbers behind it. These numbers have names. This is the 10 spot, and this is the 100 spot. Now, behind the 100th spot, there can be a 1,000th spot. But that doesn't mean it is always used. For now, I'm just going to use the 10 and the 100th spot. Now, this can be anything it wants, but it always has to have a buddy. That doesn't mean it always has to have more than one number. It just always has to mean it has a value. Remember, value means how much the number is worth. Now, that splash zone will make you very wet with all the and the. Hopefully, you don't get too wet. Now, who wants to get rich? Let's find out how you make it happen. This is the bank. Who wants some pennies? And who wants some dimes? This is the number. Whoops, my dime is on the roll. This is the number 1,005,000,000. You see how I'm using the splash zone? This is the number 1,005,000,000. This makes it different than the number above it. This could also be 50 because you just annex a zero. Annexing is putting a number to hold a place. Now, this would be 1,005,000,000 or 50 cents. You would be very rich by then. This would be 1,005,000,000, 5 pennies. This is the place of dimes, because a dime is worth 10. This is the place of pennies, because it's worth 1. Now, let me tell you how to compare these. Comparing numbers. As you see, I have lined up all of these decimals. Sorry about that, Papa. Now, they're all lined up, and now I have this line. Look, there's 1. Look, there's 2, and there's 3. I have just done magic. Listen. Now, 4 has all of these annexed zeros behind it, but still 4 is the biggest. So we automatically know this will be the biggest number. We are going to be going from smallest to biggest. Now, we'll move magic. We are going to move our line and continue comparing. This is 4 and 3. 4 is bigger, so it will be the next biggest number. Make sure you line up the decimal because that is the most important thing you can do. This 3 has annexed zeros, but it is still the biggest. So, we continue. 3 is eliminated, just like that. And we have 1 number left. It's pretty obvious. This is the smallest number there can be. And just to show, I will. Now, I hope that helps, and I hope it's understandable. I'm pretty crazy at times. Well, have some fun, and I'll see you on the other side.